If you've ever traveled internationally, you know the pain. Expensive roaming charges, struggling to find a local SIM at the airport, or worse, no internet when you land. On my recent trip to Portugal, I tried out a few eSIMs to avoid all that, and honestly, Airalo blew me away. Super easy to set up, affordable, and the connection was rock solid the entire trip. Now, let me show you how it works, and if you decide to try it out, I've left my referral link in the description to get you started. What I really like about the Airalo website is how clean and simple it is. It doesn't feel overly salesy or cluttered. Right from the homepage, you are asked to select the country or region you are traveling to. Airalo has eSIMs available for over 200 countries, and they also offer regional plans if you are traveling across multiple countries, and you can just grab one eSIM for the whole trip. And then there is the global eSIM, which supports data, calls, and texts and works across several countries. That's a great option if you are a frequent traveler and want to avoid switching SIMs constantly. But for this trip, I was only going to Portugal, so I went ahead and selected Portugal. Now, here's something really cool. Airalo offers a free 1 GB plan that lasts 1 day, which is perfect if you want to test out the service before committing to a longer plan. And if you like it, you can just top up or extend the plan for the rest of your trip. Super convenient. Once you find the plan that fits your needs, just hit buy, and if you're not already signed in, you will be prompted to create an account. You can enter your name, email, and password, or just sign in with your Google account, which is what I prefer, quick and easy. Then move on to checkout. Airalo supports a bunch of payment methods like Google Pay, Alipay, credit or debit card, and even PayPal. Before you pay, make sure to check their comprehensive list of eSIM compatible devices. They've got a full breakdown right there, which is super helpful. Agree to the terms, hit pay, and boom, you've got your eSIM. Now onto the setup. I'll walk you through this using my iPhone, but the process is pretty much the same on Android. First, download the Airalo app from the App Store or Play Store, and then you can install the eSIM manually if you like, but I prefer using the QR code method. It's faster and more seamless. So once the eSIM is installed, you can rename it if you like to keep things organized. Then go through your setup preferences. For default line, I keep mine on primary for now and switch over once I arrive at my destination. For iMessages and FaceTime, I leave it on primary. And for cellular data, I also leave that on primary for now. And very important, for allowed data switching, I turn that off. That way, once I start using the Airalo SIM, it won't automatically switch back to my primary SIM and hit me with roaming charges. And after that, I can go into settings, and here I can select the new Airalo's eSIM and make a few final tweaks. First thing is you want to turn on data roaming to activate your SIM. And then under data mode, you can choose between low, standard, or 5G, depending on how fast you want the connection and how much data you want to use up. And now you can switch to your Airalo eSIM at any time and stay connected throughout your trip. Overall, Airalo really impressed me. The service was easy to use, fast and reliable, which is exactly what you want when you're traveling. So if you're planning a trip soon, I recommend giving it a try. And don't forget to use my link in the description if you want to support the channel. Safe travels. This is the same beach.
This is River Douro.
Okay, the river.
We were the other day. We were on the other side.
Yeah.
Across this bridge.
Yeah.
But yes, this is Porto. This is Gaia.